Hola amigos, welcome back to Spanish classes with the Spanish maestro Sir Ahmed Raza. Today we will continue with the sound of the Spanish alphabets. We are going to do part 2. In the previous lesson we had done from A to F. Today we will continue with G. So please pay attention, learn the sounds of the Spanish alphabets. Once again, I'd like to repeat, Spanish is a very easy language to pronounce. Pronunciations in the Spanish language are as simple as pronouncing each alphabet in the Spanish words, and each alphabet has a particular sound which never changes. So once you know the sound of each alphabet, you will never make a mistake pronouncing Spanish words. Okay, so please pay attention and follow my class. So the first one is G. G, just like C, has a change in sound depending on the alphabet that follows the G. Okay, if G is followed by an A, it has a ga sound, as in gato. Gato is a cat. Gafas. Gafas are glasses. Gancho. Gancho is like a hook. Okay, so gato, gafas, gancho. Then we have Geo. Geo has a go sound, as in gota. Gota means a drop, like a drop of water. Goma. Goma can mean gum, or goma can mean rubber. Goma has two meanings in Spanish. Okay, so gota and goma. Then we have GU. GU has a gu sound, as in guru. Gusano. Okay, gusano is a worm. Guru, gusano, Gustavo. Gustavo is a boy's name. Guru, gusano, Gustavo. Okay, but if a G is followed by an E, it has a G sound. G. As in gente. Gente means people. Okay, gemelo. Gemelo means twins. Gente and gemelo. GI has a chi sound. Okay, chi, as in giro. Giro is a bank draft, or like to make a turn. Okay, giro. Gimnasio. Gimnasio is a gymnasium. Okay, a gym. Then GUI. GUI has a gi sound. Okay, so ge, he, gi, as in guitarra. Okay, guitarra. Once again, let's recap all of these. Okay, gato, gafas, gancho, gota, goma, guru, gusano, Gustavo, gente, gemelo, giro, gimnasio, and guitarra. Now let's go on to H, my friends. Okay, H is the only alphabet in the Spanish language that's always completely silent. It has no sound. Okay, so never pronounce the H in the Spanish language. Okay, I'll give you some examples. Hola. Okay, you see I've underlined what we pronounce. The H's are all silent. Okay, so hola. Ora. Okay, like O-R-A is pronounced. Okay, ora. Ora means hour. Horacio. Horacio is a boy's name. Hormiga. Hormiga is an ant. Hígado. Hígado is liver. Hígado. Hijo. Hijo is son. Hielo. Hielo is ice. Okay, once again. Hola, hora, Horacio, hormiga, hígado, hijo, hielo. Okay, now the I. The I in Spanish has an E sound. Okay, like in isla. Okay, isla is an island. Okay, Italia, Italy. Italia. Ideal. Ideal, ideal. And imagen. Imagen, image. Okay, once again. Isla. Italia. Ideal. Imagen. Okay, now let's go to the J. J's in Spanish have a he sound or a he sound. Okay, many people have difficulty with the Spanish J's because it's a sound that many people can't produce. Okay, but those who can't produce the he sound usually use it as an H sound. Okay, for example, jarra, jarra. Those who can't pronounce the he's pronounce it as harra, ha, like in ha, harra. Okay, so jarra, joya. Okay, jarra is a jug, joya is a jewel, jugo, jugo is juice, juez, juez is a judge, and Jimenez, Jimenez is a boy's name. Okay, Jimenez. Once again, jarra, joya, jugo, juez, Jimenez. Okay, the next one is ka. In the Spanish language, there are very few words with the alphabet ka. Okay, there are two of these here. Basically, they have been taken from the English language. Okay, kilo and kiwi. Okay, kiwi is the fruit, and kiwi is also an Australian little animal like a bear. Okay, so kilo and kiwi. Then we have the L. L has the same sound as the English L. Okay, as in lana, lana is wool. Lomo, okay, lomo has different meanings in different countries. Lomo can mean back. Lomo means a form of meat. Okay, so lana, lomo. Lavar, lavar is to wash. Lucas, Lucas is the name of a boy. Lima, Lima is the capital of Peru, and Lima also, limes are called limas. Okay, Lima. And lechuga, lechuga, lechuga is lettuce. Okay, once again, lana, lomo, lavar, Lucas, Lima, and lechuga. Now let's go to the double L's in Spanish. In Spanish, double L's are an alphabet as well. Okay, they don't have the L sound. Okay, they have a ye sound. Okay, for example, llamar, llamar is to call. Llevar, llevar is to carry or to wear. Llevar is two meanings. Okay, so llamar, llevar, llave, llave is a key. Llorar, llorar, llorar is to cry. Lluvia, lluvia is rain. Okay, it comes from the verb llover. Lluvia. Sevilla, Sevilla is a city in Spain. Okay, yeah, Sevilla. Paella, paella is Spain's traditional dish. Okay, made of rice and various kinds of seafood and other meats in it. Okay, it's delicious. Paella. Okay, once again, llamar, llevar, llave, llorar, lluvia, Sevilla, paella. Okay, and the last alphabet for today, M. M has the same sound in Spanish as the English M. Okay, so mono, mono is a monkey. Mono, mano, mano, hand. Muñeca, okay, this is an N. We'll be going into this very shortly in the next class. Okay, this N has a ni sound. Okay, so muñeca, muñeca. Moneda, muñeca means a doll. Muñeca also means the wrist. Moneda, moneda means a coin. Moneda. Mecánico, mecánico, mecánico is a mechanic. And mirar, mirar is to watch, okay, or to look. Mirar. Once again, mono, mano, muñeca, moneda, mecánico, and mirar. So my friends, this was our class for today. Sound of Spanish alphabets and correctly pronouncing Spanish words. Remember, Spanish words are really easy to pronounce. You have to pay attention and pronounce each alphabet in the word, and you will never make a mistake. Okay, so the best way to do it is keep practicing the sounds of the alphabets, learn the sound of each alphabet, and you'll be able to pronounce Spanish words very easily. Thank you, my friends, for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the class. Any comments, questions, anything, please leave them in the comment section and I'll gladly answer them for you. Thank you, my friends. Hasta luego.